Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn about the best screen recorder software in 2021. If you are looking for a cheap and best paid screen recorder, then look no further. This is a review of EaseUS Rec Experts, the best, cheap and affordable screen recorder for YouTubers and gamers. Since this is going to be a longer video, I have listed the topics in the description so that you can jump to a particular topic at any time. Okay, now let's have a look at the features that make EaseUS Rec Experts the best affordable screen recorder. Screen record full screen of your PC. Screen record specific app or window or any specific area. Screen record webcam. Screen record voice narration and sounds with your microphone. Take a screenshot. Annotate and highlight your videos with arrows, lines, text and images at the time of recording. Screen record both video and audio together. Screen record gameplays and online games. High quality output, even you can create 4K UHD resolution videos. Schedule screen recording and multiple tasks. For example, you can make the screen recorder to start the screen recording process automatically at a future time. Allows video editing such as trimming and adding watermark, etc. Allows exporting videos to file formats such as WMV, AVI, FLV, MOV, ASF, MP4, etc. Share or upload videos directly to your Google Drive, Dropbox, YouTube, Vimeo, etc. Allows audio enhancements such as noise reduction. Zoom function while recording your videos. Lock the screen recording area. Spotlight recording facility. It's possible to create simple video intros and outros. Believe it or not, EaseUS Rec Experts is super lightweight that doesn't demand expensive hardware. You get free tech support. Last but not least, most affordable, it just costs $69.95 for lifetime with free upgrades. So if you would like to buy this software, you may do so from the link in the description below. You can also use the free version with some limitations. You can either subscribe to full version or download the trial version from the link in the description below. Now let's have a look at the first topic, how to screen record using EaseUS Rec Experts. First, launch EaseUS Rec Experts. Once you launch this application, you could probably see these four options. To record the screen, click on Record Screen. Then, to record the full screen, you can select Full Screen and then click on the Rec button. The recording process starts after a countdown. So now whatever you do is recorded. To stop the recording, you can just hover the mouse on this button, the small button here at the bottom right. So this reveals the floating toolbar. So this floating toolbar can be placed wherever you want. You can just move this anywhere on the screen. Now to stop this, you can just click on the stop button. To play the recorded video, you can just click on this video list If the video list is collapsed, you can just expand it and then click on the video, double click on the video. So this is how you can record full screen. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let us see how to start or stop the recording using keyboard shortcut. To start the recording using the keyboard shortcut, you can press the F7 key. To stop the recording, you can press the same F7 key. So you can use the F7 key. So this starts or stop the screen recording or your webcam recording or gameplay or even the audio recording. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to record a particular region or area. To record a particular region or area, what you can do is you can click on this button and then choose select region to select a freeform region, or you can choose the fixed regions. There are certain screen sizes available by default. If you want to create a custom region, you can do so by clicking on this option. You can enter the dimensions here in pixel. So now let us see how to create a freeform region. So I'll just click this. So this displays the crosshairs. So if I want to record this area, so what I can do is I'll just drag a rectangle here like this, and then you can click on the rec button. So this records that particular area only, this area only. So as usual, to stop the recording, you can click on the stop. Now let's check the output. I'll just right click and choose preview. So this was the recorded area. Now let's proceed to the next topic. Let's see how to record a particular window or application. To record a particular application or window, you need to open the application. Say for example, I have opened Microsoft Paint, and then you can just click on this drop down and choose lock window, and then click on select window button. Then hover your mouse until it selects the region automatically. So for example like this. So then you can just make a single click. So this selects the region automatically. Then press the rec button. In this way, you can select a particular window or application. Now let's do something. I'll just do something. And then click on the stop recording. Now let's check the preview. You can also notice that this locks the window recording area. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to record a gameplay using Ease's Rec Experts. To record the gameplay, the first thing you want to do is you will have to select record game from the drop down. Then launch the game that you want to record. Then use the keyboard shortcut F7 to start recording and stop recording of the gameplay. Now let me start the game. yes to grant the permission to start the recording. Now let us have a look at the recorded game. This is how you can record the gameplay using Asus Rec Experts. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to record your webcam using Asus Rec Experts. First, select Record Webcam from the drop-down. Immediately you should see your face like this. You might choose whether to mirror the display. Then click on the record button. This records only your webcam. Then you can click on the stop button to stop the recording process. Now let's have a look at the recorded video. So this is the recorded video. If you choose to record only the webcam, it records only the webcam. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to use the webcam along with the screen recording or gameplay. To use the webcam along with your gameplay or screen recording, click on the drop down and choose Integrated Webcam. Now you can choose the avatar's position wherever you desire. You can go to the settings for further enhancements, like you can choose the mirror display. You can choose whether to display your avatar inside a square or in a circle. You can choose the position of your avatar, like whether to be displayed to the top right or bottom right, etc. And you can also choose the output resolution. And finally you can click on the OK button. Now let's do a screen recording along with the webcam. Now let's preview the recorded video. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to configure the sound system. To configure the sound system, you can just click on this drop down and select system sound if you want to record the system sound, or you can choose microphone if you want to choose to record from your microphone. Suppose if you want to record from both system as well as your microphone, then you can choose this option, system sound and microphone. Suppose in case if you don't want to record the audio, you can choose record without audio. Further, you can go to the settings for more audio enhancements. Especially for the microphone, you have got the noise cancellation and audio boost options. Noise cancellation helps reduce the noise, surrounding noise, and audio boost helps boost the audio. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to record only the audio. Suppose if you are on the main screen, you can click on record audio. This records only the audio. Suppose in case if you are in the next screen, what you can do is you can choose record audio from the drop down. So this records just the audio. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to create annotations. When you are in the recording mode, you should see a horizontal toolbar where you can find an option for annotation. So clicking on this option will bring another toolbar that contains options for annotation, such as the pen, highlighter, line, arrow, etc. So you can use the pen to write something here. You can use the highlighter, the lines, the arrows, and then the rectangle, ellipse, etc. You can also use the numbering like this. You can use the text to write something. You can change the color if you want. So this changes the color of all the annotations like that. To erase all the annotations, you can make a right click, and to show or hide the annotation toolbar, you can press the F9 key. You can press the F9 key. So I'll just show you. Pressing F9 key will show or hide the annotation toolbar. So this is how you can create annotations for your recordings. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to use the spotlight feature. To use the spotlight feature, while you are on the recording mode, you can just click on the spotlight button. Then move the mouse on the items that you want to spotlight. Just like this. When you are done, you can just click on the same button again to turn off the spotlight. Now let's check the preview. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to use the zoom functionality. When you are on the recording mode, on the horizontal toolbar, you can see the option for zooming. You can click on this option to zoom in. You can hover the mouse to zoom the parts of the screen like this. And suppose if you want to lock the zooming area, you can just press the F11 key. This locks the zooming area. Suppose if you want to unlock the zooming area, you can press the F11 key again. So to turn off the zooming, you can just come and click on this button again. You can also use the keyboard shortcut F10 to enable or disable the zooming functionality, just like that. So the keyboard shortcut for zooming is F10, and to lock the zooming area you can use the F11 key. Now let us check the preview. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to take a screenshot. So when you are on the recording mode, on the horizontal toolbar, you have an option to take a screenshot. So you can just click on this button to take the screenshot. Let us do it again. So I want to take the screenshot of this screen. You can just click on this button. So what happens is the screenshots are usually stored in this location. So you can just click on the video list and then click on the screenshot. So here the screenshots are stored. So we can check the preview. Now let's move on to the next topic. Let's see how to record the cursor and mouse clicks. To record the cursor and mouse clicks, you can click on the settings, then click on the mouse tab and enable or disable the options as per your requirement. The first option here, show mouse cursor, will enable or disable the mouse. So if you uncheck this, you won't be able to see the mouse arrow during the screen recording. So the second option is show mouse area. This highlights the mouse cursor. You can also increase the size of the highlight and choose a color like this. Okay, activities. You can check this option, record mouse clicks. When you check this option, what happens is when you make a left click with the current settings, the mouse arrow is highlighted with the red color, and when you make a right click, the mouse arrow is highlighted with a blue color. You can select a color of your choice if you want. So now let us try and see what happens with this settings. I'll just do some recording. Now I am making a left click and dragging this icon. Again I'll do few left clicks like this. Now I'll make a right click and see what happens. Now again a right click, again a right click, again a right click. Now let us stop at this point and then check the preview. So you can notice that the mouse cursor is highlighted. Now when I make a left click, you can notice the red color, and when I make a right click, you can notice the blue color around the mouse arrow. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.